Hello children, you all know that acids produce hydrogen ions in aqueous solutions and bases produce hydroxide ions in solutions. We need to compare the strengths of acids and also compare the strengths of bases. How will you compare the strengths of acids and strengths of bases? For acids, the acid which produces more number of hydrogen ions in aqueous solution is a stronger acid than another acid which can produce less number of hydrogen ions in aqueous solutions. Similarly, for bases, if a base produces more number of hydroxide ions in aqueous solutions, then it will be a stronger base than another base which produces less number of hydroxide ions in aqueous solutions. How strong are acids and bases? How to compare the strengths of acids and bases? We can do this by using their pH values. What is the meaning of pH? The literal meaning of pH is power of hydrogen. Now why do we need the pH values of solutions? We need the pH values of solutions to compare the relative strengths of acids and bases. For pure water, which produces equal number of hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions, the concentration of hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion remains equal, and therefore you know that water is a neutral substance. But when we add acids to water, the acid produces more number of hydrogen ions, due to which in the solution of an acid, the concentration of hydrogen ion becomes more than that of hydroxide ion. Similarly, when we make the solution of a base, we add base to water. When we do that, the base produces hydroxide ions in the solution, due to which in the solution of a base, the concentration of hydroxide ion becomes more than that of hydrogen ion. Now what are pH values? We express the pH of a solution using some values. The pH of a solution or a liquid substance is expressed using a numeral value. The numeral values can be like 1, 2, 3, 4, or can be like 3.4, 5.6, or can be like 7.8, like this. Can be having numerical values. It does not need any unit. So when we express the pH values of solution, we express the pH values like say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 7.5 or 10, 12. Like this we express the values, pH values of solutions. And from these pH values we understand the chemical nature of the solutions. Now how to calculate the pH values of solutions? Because from solutions you cannot get these values directly, you have to do some mathematical calculations. Mathematically, pH is calculated as negative logarithm of hydronium ion concentration or H plus aqueous ion concentration in the solution. We can write this as log of reciprocal of hydronium ion concentration. We can also establish the relation between pH value and hydronium ion concentration of a solution. Suppose I have told you that pH value of a solution is 5. What is its hydronium ion concentration? You can simply use this relation. Hydronium ion concentration in that case will be 10 to the power minus pH, that is 10 to the power minus 5. Now how to calculate the pH values of solutions? We need to calculate the pH values of solutions to understand their chemical nature. Suppose we have taken an acid solution. The concentration of hydronium ion in the solution of that acid is 10 to the power minus 3 mole per liter, or we can say it is having concentration 10 to the power minus 3 molar. We calculate the pH as negative log of this hydronium ion concentration, which is 10 to the power minus 3. So we have written here 10 to the power minus 3. This minus 3 comes here before. We write this as minus 3 and this part minus log 10 will write here inside the bracket. Minus minus it will make it plus, it will be 3 log 10, and you know that log 10 is equal to 1, you need to remember it, log 1 is equal to 0, and 3 into log 10 is 3 into 1, that is equal to 3. Now how to define the pH of a solution? We have the definition, you need to remember it like this. The pH of a solution may be defined as the negative logarithm of its hydronium ion concentration in mole per liter that we have written. The concentration which we write with this square bracket, it means concentration expressed in mole per liter. Mathematically, when you want to calculate the pH of the solution of acid, there is no problem at all because the acid produces hydronium ion. We just need to know the hydronium ion concentration, then we will put it in this value. In this relation, the values are plotted, and after that we get the pH value of that acidic solution. But what if we want to calculate the pH value of the solution of a base? Calculation of pH value of a basic solution. Suppose we have taken sodium hydroxide, which is a base. This base will produce sodium ion and hydroxide ion in aqueous solution. We need to calculate the pH value now, but we don't have any hydronium ion produced by the base because a base cannot produce hydronium ion. It produces hydroxide ion. Suppose the base we have taken is sodium hydroxide. This base cannot produce H plus aqueous or hydronium ion in solution. Therefore, instead of pH, we calculate the pOH value of a basic solution. For example, sodium hydroxide we have taken. If we take 0.1 molar solution of sodium hydroxide, this will ionize, and sodium hydroxide is a very strong base. It ionizes almost 100%. If the concentration of sodium hydroxide solution is 0.1 molar, it will also produce 0.1 mole per liter of hydroxide ion. We will calculate the pH of that sodium hydroxide solution. pOH, like pH, is negative log of hydroxide ion concentration. So we will write this as negative log of hydroxide ion concentration, which is 0.1 mole per liter. So I have written here minus log 0.1. Again, this is minus log 0.1 can be written as 10 to the power minus 1. If I bring this minus 1 over here, it will become minus 1 into minus log 10. Minus minus, it will make it plus, and therefore log 10 will be equal to 1. So what we have calculated here, this is the pOH value of sodium hydroxide solution. So far we have not calculated its pH value. If we want to know its pH value, then we should use this relation. pH value is 14 minus pOH value. We got the pOH value to be 1, and therefore the pH value of sodium hydroxide solution, which is having 0.1 molar concentration, is 14 minus this pOH value is equal to 14 minus 1 equal to 13.